Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's okay Onyi Best, and you're welcome to Onyi Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine. Like it's been a while. It's been up to 9 days or 8 days now. I've not posted a video. Okay, but today I'm back with another video on the segnalazioni semaforiche. Okay, but this time around is for the corsia. Okay, semafori veicoli di corsia. Now we see this type of semaphore. For those of us who are just joining the patente, semaphore is your traffic light. Okay, we have that of corsia for vehicles. Now, on seeing this type of arrows in the traffic light, they depend on the lane in which you're going to. Okay, so it's referring to the lanes. But I'm going to be reading as well, giving you an illustration with a picture as usual to put you through. Okay, so don't worry, you get used to it. If you're just joining, it is not an easy struggle, but you get used to it. And of course, you come out victorious. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, I beg you, please subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so that as soon as I drop a video, boom, you're there to be notified. And as well, if I'm going live, they're going to notify you as well. Okay, now let's jump into this particular video, still on segnalazioni semaforiche. Now, this one said, i semafori di corsia sono posti in un incrocio e riguardano i veicoli, tutti i tipi di veicoli, anche le biciclette. Now, this corsia, semaphore for the corsia, which is the traffic light corsia, now, it is posted in a junction and it refers to all vehicles, 2TTP, all type of vehicles, including bicycle. Meaning say it is valid for all vehicles, including bicycle, che devono proseguire nella direzione della freccia. Now, that it tells you that you must go according to the direction of these arrows on seeing it. Le frecce verdi accese indicano le direzioni verso le quali si può proseguire. Now, when it turns green, vedi, if it is on and it is green, it indicates, say, now this lane you will fit to go with. Meaning, say, this lane where it should be so can go. Quindi è consentito proseguire nella sola direzione nella freccia verde. So it tells you that this lane, if you're on this lane, you can go. And you're only allowed to go according. Now, that's a very strong noise. Sorry, please. Now, we are only allowed to go according to the arrows. So, for example, you did for lane way on this particular green light, you're allowed to go straight forward or you go to the left. Okay, so if you don't see they go left, you go straight forward. Okay, you do occupy this lane, you can go when it shows green. I'm going to show you this particular image for us illustration. Now on this particular lane, it has turned green, and the arrow here is showing us that you have to go to the left. So this white vehicle where they occupy this particular corsia, aside the arrow self, on the pavement, there is another arrow that tells you this lane, you can only occupy it if you're going to the left. Now, but we're not talking about what is drawn on the pavement. We are referring to the semaphore. Okay. Now this one shows you green. It tells you you can go, but the only direction allowed here is to go to the left. Now, on the right-hand side, we are seeing another one, but not green. Okay, this time it is red here. Okay, and it is referring to these people that are going either straight forward or they want to go to the right. It's telling them to do what? To stop, because it has turned red for them. Now, you have to stop. Why this has to go, but has to go left. Okay, let's see more on semafori veicolari di corsia. Le frecce rosse accese indicano che non si può proseguire nella direzione indicate, quindi impongono arresto dei veicoli diritti nel senso della freccia. Now, like this particular diagram, when it shows red, it tells you you cannot go. Stop. It tells you to stop. If you know say you did this particular lane and they go according to the fresher wey turn on for the semaphore, which is either you're going straight forward or you're going to the right. Stop. It has turned red. Now, it's went ahead and say le fresher già la fisse accesa, indicando di liberare incrocio, qualora sia stato già impegnato o di arrestarsi in condizioni di sicurezza. Now, when you come on yellow fixed light, what did they tell you? Usually, yellow fixed light tells you clear the junction if you've already engaged the junction. Now, if you have not engaged the junction, stop in a safety condition. Basta. Okay? Now, yellow fixed light is different from yellow blinking light. Okay? We are dealing on yellow fixed light. I'm going to come to yellow blinking light, okay? But now when you see yellow fixed one that is not blinking, it is telling you clear the junction if you've already occupied. If you've not, stop in a safety condition. Now, se spenti o con le frecce gialle lampeggiante accese, indicano di attraversare incrocio con particolare prudenza. Now, if it is off, if this semaphore per corsia is off, or if it has a yellow blinking light, it tells you go with particular caution. Okay, it doesn't tell you to stop in a safety condition, okay, like the fixed one. This time around, it is yellow blinking light, or if it is off, it tells you go with particular caution. It's warning you A3 pericoli. Okay, just go with caution. Okay, now that is that for semaphore per corsia. Okay, I'll bring you more videos on other semaphore signals. We have so many to talk about based on semaphore. We'll be seeing that for pedoni. We'll be seeing semaphore for biciclette. Okay, we'll be seeing those ones gradually. I'm going to drop a video soon. Please, if you have not subscribed, I beg you to subscribe. Not just subscribing, on the bell, turn it on so that as soon as I post a video, boom, you're there. They're going to notify you. Okay. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. I wouldn't mind you sharing it to your family, friends, loved ones. It's going to help this channel a lot. Okay. Now, I believe you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Okay. See you in my next video. I love you, but Jesus loves you best. Bye.